My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Vauxhall Grandland X. This vehicle has done just over 31,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access audio, navigation, Bluetooth, profile, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen is our dual zone climate control. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.